Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D animation kit story using AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use Meta AI and ChatGPT and also ElevenLabs. And start from the ChatGPT. We need ChatGPT to create a prompt, and we will need Meta AI to create a video. And then we need ElevenLabs to generate a voice or narration. And then we will need CapCut as well, CapCut or another video editor to compile all the scenes. Okay, and let's start with ChatGPT. I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. For example, I'm going to create Swan Lake story for kids, and this is the prompt, guys. And we can copy the prompt and then paste it on the Meta AI. And for the Meta AI, you can use Meta AI on WhatsApp, on Instagram, or Facebook. And I'm using Meta AI on WhatsApp. And as you can see, I have already asked the AI to create animation for me. Okay, this is the prompt. And then we can ask the AI to animate it. And this is how the animation looks like. Okay. I have created 2 scenes, and then we can download the video here. Click on the download icon and the video will be saved to your device. And then you can go to CapCut to import the video or the animation, and you can compile it here. Wait. Okay, this is for the first animation, and this is the second animation. I'm going to import it to my CapCut like this. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the ElevenLabs to generate a voice. Okay, you can add the text here, and you can turn the text into a speech using the text-to-speech feature. And this is the narration I have created with ChatGPT for scene 1. And here you can choose the type of the voice, and then you can choose the speed as well. You can customize the speed and the stability and so on. And once you're ready, you can click on generate speech, and the voice will be created. Then you can download it here. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my CapCut and import the audio we have generated with ElevenLabs. Okay, add it to the timeline. And to make it more captivating, you can add background music or effect, or it's up to you. You can edit it as creative as you can. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.